Hey guys, welcome back. In today's query record, I'm going to show you how to claim your core to receive your core that you've already delegated. That's the profit has yielded for you. So as you can see, my core here is 0.67173 worth $2.06. So I'll come back later to show you that it has increased. Then from here, we'll click on here. Once you click, then you click on your browser. After clicking on your browser, then you add tab here using this plus button. You add new tab. Okay, let's allow it to load. Okay, now you paste this thing, what is it called, the link, or rather you can type, if you wish, you type. Me, I've already copied it. So https stick.core.org, then you click on enter here on your this thing, on your keyboard, then you allow it to load. Okay, we allow it to load for a while. Okay, let's wait for a while. Okay, it has opened. Now what you do, you've already reached here, so that's the place for the staking. Then you click on here, these three stripes, you click on it, then you see my staking here. Then click on this my staking. After clicking on this my staking, it will load. The network is a bit slow, sorry for that. Okay, then here is it. Then you click on claim here, click on claim. Okay, waiting for confirmation. Waiting for confirmation. The network is a bit slow. Okay, you confirm. Okay, you click on confirm. Network is sorry. Still waiting for it. Please, the network is a bit it's gonna load. So let's just still waiting for it. I'm using my phone straight. I've put it till it has claimed. But still waiting for it. Okay, submitted. Okay, succeeded. Now we'll go back. It has now completed. We're now going back to our wallet to show you that it has actually increased. Understand? So we'll go back to our wallet. As I've told you earlier on, let's refresh. As I told you earlier on, the balance was 0.671373 worth $2.05. As you can see, it has increased to 0.84331 core worth 2.57. So that's how to claim your stick core. That's what it has actually yielded for you. Thank you. If you have gotten value from this, kindly subscribe, like, comment, and also share with those that will be interested in it. Thank you.